Wetin we wan talk about today na cryptocurrency wallet. Now many people don dey call me, dey ask me say how I wan use get cryptocurrency, I wan get bitcoin, how where I go keep the bitcoin and all those kind things. For you to get cryptocurrency or send or receive cryptocurrency, you need cryptocurrency wallet. Now if you need to open account, that means you wan save your naira or your dollar, you need to go bank go open the account. Or for cryptocurrency, you no need to go through all those stress. All you need na internet enabled device. Once you have once you get a laptop or phone, you fit get cryptocurrency wallet. So cryptocurrency wallet na safe and secured way of storing, sending and receiving cryptocurrency. That means you go store your cryptocurrency, you fit still send, person fit still send give you. Now cryptocurrency wallet e no hard to get, e no hard to open. Ma just tell you how e go just dey easy for you to understand now na say for bank now, you know say they go give you bank account. For cryptocurrency wallet too, you get bank account. That your bank account na wetin dem dey call address. You see that address wey dem go give you, so na series of numbers and letters like that. E fit be like 123QJ, all those kind plenty number, e go long go like that. That thing na your address. Na you go send give person, you copy am send give person when you wan receive cryptocurrency. Then some kind of wallet e depend on the kind one wey you choose they will give you private key. That your private key be like your BVN. You go safeguard am well as you dey safeguard your BVN, you understand? That is your bank verification number. Then some other kind of wallet they will come give you wetin dem dey call seed. That seed na series of words. Those words too you go keep am just in case you change your phone, you fit open the wallet for another phone using your seed. Next time we go talk about how types of cryptocurrency wallet and how to keep your cryptocurrency wallet safe. If you like this video, like am, share and give other people. No stingy with better thing. Thank you.